Okay, this is, let me see, this is fresh start right here. Yeah. Here's the cold start. And this is starting, you know, I didn't start this last until like 2 weeks ago. So it's a nice, fresh, cold start. Healthy engine. Okay. Any questions? Give me a call. Okay, here's the start, the cold start of the GTR R33. So there's a security alarm that you have to put the car in there, and you got to unlock the press the unlock button.
58.
Starts right up.
For real people.